promise is an object representing the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value. It's a cleaner and more organized way to handle tasks like data fetching, file loading, or any operation that takes time. Promises have three states: pending, fulfilled, and rejected. A promise starts in the pending state, then transitions to either fulfilled when the operation is successful or rejected when it encounters an error. In this video, out of all promises, I want to specifically talk about promise.any. This method was introduced in ECMAScript 2021 and provides a streamlined way to deal with multiple asynchronous tasks. Unlike promise.all, which resolves when all promises are fulfilled, promise.any resolves as soon as one of the promises is fulfilled. This is particularly handy when dealing with redundant data sources such as multiple CDNs hosting the same files. In this case, using promise.any allows your application to efficiently load resources from the first available source, thereby optimizing performance. Let's take a look at the syntax of promise.any. So to understand this, consider a scenario when you're fetching data from multiple APIs simultaneously. Instead of waiting for all requests to complete, promise.any allows you to handle the first successful response, improving the response speed of your application. This can be useful, let's say, where you're loading resources from multiple sources, such as images from different servers, and you want to display the first successful loaded image without waiting for all requests to complete. In this example, the load image function returns a promise that resolves when an image is successfully loaded and rejects if the loading fails. The map method takes the load image function as callback, which returns an array of 3 promises because of 3 URLs in the image URLs array. Then if any of the promises get resolved first, the promise.any call ensures that the first successfully loaded image triggers the .then block. So clearly, the ability of promise.any to resolve with the value of the first fulfilled promise makes it particularly useful in scenarios where you're interested in the fastest result amongst asynchronous operations. That's all for the video. If you found it insightful, drop a like and subscribe for more.